The Broke Escape Stories, Episode 4. From Monk to Millionaire Mentor, the Jay Shetty story. He gave up everything to live as a monk, broke, with nothing but robes and silence. Years later, he's one of the world's most influential voices, teaching millions how to find purpose, love, and peace. This is the Broke Escape story of Jay Shetty. Proof that your lowest point can become your life's greatest mission. Welcome to the Broke Escape Stories, where everyday people break the rules, escape the grind, and build freedom their own way. Your freedom story starts now. Jay Shetty was born in London in 1987 to Indian parents. Growing up, he wasn't the smartest kid in class. He got into trouble, hung around the wrong crowd, and says himself, "I was addicted to chaos." At 18, his friends were chasing money, girls, and status. But Jay was searching for something deeper. Then came the turning point. He attended a lecture by a monk. That single night shook his world. While his friends were chasing jobs and wealth, Jay decided to walk away, to live in India as a monk. For 3 years, he lived in ashrams, waking up at 4 a.m., meditating for hours, owning almost nothing. He studied ancient wisdom, practiced service, and learned how to master the mind. But after those years, he returned to London broke. No job, no plan, no money. People thought he had wasted his life. But Jay had something more valuable than money: perspective. He realized that the wisdom he learned as a monk could help millions of people struggling with stress, anxiety, and lack of purpose. So he began sharing his lessons online. At first, no one paid attention. His videos got a few likes, a few shares, but Jay stayed consistent. He spoke with clarity, authenticity, and passion. Slowly, people began listening. Then one video went viral, millions of views. His voice was spreading around the world, and in that moment, Jay knew. This was his calling. Jay Shetty built his mission on 3 pillars: clarity, simplifying ancient wisdom into practical tools; consistency, posting videos, sharing messages daily; connection, building trust by being vulnerable about his struggles. He turned his videos into a platform. He became a storyteller, a coach, a global guide for young people searching for meaning. Then came his books: Think Like a Monk, 2020, teaching how to find peace and purpose in modern life; 8 Rules of Love, 2023, a guide to building deeper, healthier relationships. Both became international bestsellers. Jay didn't just motivate, he gave people step-by-step strategies to live better. He launched the On Purpose podcast, now one of the most downloaded health and wellness podcasts in the world. He's interviewed everyone from Kobe Bryant to Oprah Winfrey. His reach? Over 50 million followers worldwide. Jay has built not only wealth, but also wisdom-driven freedom. Today, Jay Shetty is a global thought leader, entrepreneur, best-selling author, and motivational speaker. He teaches businesses, athletes, and millions of everyday people how to find purpose and live with love. But most importantly, he's proof that you don't need to start with money, privilege, or fame. You need courage to walk a different path. As Jay says, don't let someone else's opinion become your reality. Build a life based on intention, not comparison. Here's your Broke Escape takeaway. If you feel lost, start small. Take 10 minutes every day to reflect. Write down your purpose, your goals, your dream life. Because as Jay reminds us, if you don't know what you want, you'll keep chasing what everyone else has. So this week, don't just dream. Define. Write down one action that moves you closer to the life you want. And if you want to go deeper, I highly recommend Jay Shetty's books, Think Like a Monk, to Rules of Love. The links are in the description below. Perfect for dreamers like us. Dreamers, what's your goal? What's your freedom story? Drop it in the comments, because your story can inspire millions. And remember, every Sunday we bring you a new escape story from around the world. This was episode 4 of the Broke Escape Stories. Tune in next Sunday. Your Broke Escape plan continues.